6" in front of the torso. Since it's the 4th of July, I got the Eddystone US Model 1917 30-06 battle rifle. Gonna be shooting the Hornady 165 grain spar point boat tail hunting bullet at 250 yards. Well, hit him on the side over there. Not very good actually. A little bit on the low side, a lot on the left side. But this time I'm going to use the sporterized Remington US Model 1903 30-06. It's got the Lyman sight on it. Using a cast bullet, Lee 180 grain round nose. Again at 250 yards. Yep, hit right there. That dent isn't from the bullet, but probably hit about right there, I think.